major announcement just came from Washington that could reshape the entire cryptocurrency industry. March 1st has been set as the critical deadline for the Clarity Act, one of the most significant digital asset regulations in history. According to industry leaders, there's a strong probability this legislation passes by April. If you hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or any digital assets, the next 60 days could be pivotal for the future of this market. This is based on official statements and meetings happening right now. Welcome back to MRDJ Crypto Update. The Clarity Act has faced delays for months due to legislative challenges. However, recent developments show momentum is building. March 1st, 2026 has been established as an important milestone. According to Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, who recently participated in discussions with policymakers, optimism is growing that this legislation could advance by April. Market indicators are responding positively, and investor sentiment is improving after months of uncertainty. So what is the Clarity Act about? Currently, the digital asset industry faces regulatory uncertainty. Previous approaches attempted to apply traditional securities frameworks created decades ago to modern blockchain technology, with mixed results in legal proceedings. Ripple's legal case established that XRP operates differently than traditional securities. However, much of the industry still lacks clear regulatory guidance. The Clarity Act aims to address this by establishing appropriate oversight frameworks. The proposal would clarify that digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana function as commodities rather than securities. These are decentralized networks, not corporate equity with dividends or voting rights. The legislation would create clear operational guidelines, reducing legal uncertainty and supporting innovation within the United States. Why is March 1st significant? The current administration has expressed support for establishing America as a leader in digital asset innovation. Government officials have indicated this legislation is a priority for the coming months. Recent meetings brought together representatives from blockchain companies and traditional financial institutions. The consensus from these discussions emphasized the importance of moving forward with practical regulations. March 1st represents a key date in this legislative process. Brad Garlinghouse shared his perspective after these discussions, noting increased confidence in the legislation's prospects for April passage. Ripple has made substantial investments in the digital asset infrastructure space, totaling billions of dollars. Their payment processing platforms handle trillions of dollars in transaction volume annually. These strategic decisions reflect confidence in the evolving regulatory landscape. Announcement from Washington could reshape the entire crypto industry. March 1st is the critical deadline for the Clarity Act. Industry leaders believe there's a strong chance it passes by April. If you hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, the next 60 days are pivotal. Welcome back to MRDJ Crypto Update. The Clarity Act faced months of delays, but momentum is building. A March 1st, 2026 milestone has been set. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, is optimistic for an April passage, boosting market sentiment. The act aims to end regulatory chaos by clarifying that assets like Bitcoin are commodities, not securities, moving oversight to the CFTC. This provides clear rules and encourages innovation in the U.S. The main delays involve debates over stablecoin services. However, major financial institutions like Goldman Sachs now support clear regulations, seeing the opportunity to participate. The entire financial sector recognizes the need for a solid framework. This clarity is crucial for the market. Bitcoin has declined around 50% from recent peaks, with many altcoins following. XRP has been more resilient, down about 20%, but much of the market downturn is tied to regulatory uncertainty. Clear rules could enable a new wave of institutional investment. Ripple is positioning for this shift. CEO Brad Garlinghouse's confidence is backed by his company's multi-billion-dollar investments and trillions in annual payment processing. They are betting that once the Clarity Act passes, massive financial flows will increasingly utilize blockchain infrastructure. A major announcement from Washington could reshape the crypto industry. March 1st is the critical deadline for the Clarity Act, with industry leaders seeing a strong chance it passes by April. If you hold crypto, the next 60 days are pivotal. Welcome back to MRDJ Crypto Update. After months of delays over issues like stablecoin regulation, the Clarity Act is finally moving. Major financial firms now support it, and the act aims to end regulatory chaos by defining assets like Bitcoin as commodities under the CFTC. This is crucial, as market volatility has been heavily tied to this uncertainty. Here's the expected timeline. March 1st is the legislative deadline, with April discussed for final approval. We could be just weeks from the biggest regulatory shift in crypto history. The implications are huge, affecting the entire ecosystem. Ripple has already deployed billions in acquisitions. Exchanges and traditional banks are preparing to expand their blockchain services, signaling massive confidence in a positive outcome. While this is informational, not investment advice, regulatory clarity is what the market has been waiting for. When it arrives, we may see a significant increase in institutional participation. So mark your calendars for March and April. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching MRDJ Crypto Update.